There are a lot of problems in the world. War, natural disasters, creepy 30-year-old men at punk shows. Sometimes an escape would be nice. Try alcoholism. Enroll in Sir Toby Belch's Alcoholism Academy, and you won't be able to go 2 hours sober without having a violent seizure. Here, let's have a student testimonial.
Yeah, I graduated from Sir Toby's. My dissertation was bringing a flask full of vermouth to my 5-year-old niece's birthday party and making a scene. I'm in jail now.
Ah, excellent! Shall this fellow live? Find out at Sir Toby Belch's Alcoholism Academy.